Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your man Woix Official. I hope you guys are having a good day today. And what I'm doing today, I'm working on the Accord. I'm actually going to put on some new headlights that I just got for the car. And these new headlights, if you haven't seen my video guys, go ahead and click the link up there. These new headlights are not going to get oxidized. They're going to be protected with the new jet seal that I put on from Chemical Guys. I'm not sponsoring anything, it's just Chemical Guys makes good quality products, so I use them on my car. And actually guys, don't forget, hit the like button and the subscribe button. So let me show you guys the old headlights. These are the old headlights. Yeah, it's rainy out. So now you can see that's how they look. And guys, you're probably thinking these new ones look just like it. Yeah, they're similar. I mean, I really love the chrome on dark color cars. They look good. You guys see how I'm taking care of my car. Look at that bead. Look at the beading on there. That's what we do. But these are the new headlights. Pretty much the same. Only difference is it has a LED daytime running light. What I actually had to do to get these lights to run or to work, I had to do some wiring, guys. Unfortunately, I really am not a fan of wiring, but gotta conquer that fear today. And what you want to do is you want to connect this headlight comes with its own. You want to connect the black cord right here to the other black cord here. What I had to do, I had to cut them and splice them together. And this is electrical tape, so we don't have to worry about that moving, thankfully. And you have to find out which one is going to be your, let me show you guys, where's my keys? You have to find out which one is going to be the daytime running light or the signal light. For me, I just want the daytime running light. I don't want the flickering of the turning signal to be on. Now, you can always go back and change that, but personally, I just don't want that. So just turn the light on. One knob is for the daytime running light, see? And thankfully, I got it on the first try. It's this wire. It's kind of red and black a little bit. You can see they all look very similar, but it's actually going to be this wire. So the ground's already connected, and we'll just connect these. There we go. And these lights are actually really bright, as you guys can see. These are the headlights. Look really good. It's going to make this car look even better, in my opinion. It's going to keep it looking like a new car, which that's one way you can make your older cars still look good today, you know? Just take care of them, and so new parts like this, if they're not garbage quality, try it out. And now, see, the signal's on, but I have my daytime running light, so that's just going to stay on and not flicker. I don't like that flickering stuff, and especially because this is a daytime running light, LED light, it's not an actual bulb. I would prefer for me not to have to worry about replacing these bulbs soon, or that whole headlight unit soon, even though it's not that expensive, but still, I'd rather save what I have now. So now I'm going to install these guys. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once I finally get this wire put on fully and it put on the car. So wait for that clip. All right, ladies and gents, it's done. Check it out. Let's take the plastic off. That baby is hot. And guys, I already did the second one. Actually, let me show you guys the second one. Passenger side. Ooh. Now let me show you guys what it looks like when I do the key on, because you know the orange light is the daytime running light. If you have a Accord, you should know this. Orange light is the daytime running. What I did was I spliced the wires. Make sure you connect the black to the ground, because that black wire is just the ground. And this is the final product. What y'all think? I think that looks hot. I think that looks hot. Boy, it made this car look a whole lot better, in my opinion. So let me show you guys what it looks like when it's on. That's not including my LED lights. Those are just LED daytime running lights. If you guys want, I can give you a review, but as of right now, I'm super satisfied. I'm really interested to see what it's gonna look like at night though, because they're pretty bright in the daytime. So I'll let you guys know. Leave me a comment asking about it, and should I reply to your comment? So we got just the daytime running lights on, and boy, does this car look amazing with the daytime running lights on. Looks like a whole new car to me, which is what I was looking for. Just something to rejuvenate this older Accord. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So this is just daytime running lights. Now I'm gonna turn on my LED lights. Yep, hope you guys have a great day. It's your man, Wo. I'm out. Peace.
Now